Instant.
Instant. So what do you think the value proposition for instant is?
Value proposition. One is very good, right?
Yeah. Why are you doing this company called Instant?
To facilitate people with handyman that easily get caught upon.
Instant.
Yeah.
So basically, like, your value proposition is people who don't have access or don't know who a handyman for fixing your door is or whatever. You provide a connection.
Yeah. Exactly.
So that's your value proposition. So you write your value proposition. And then based on that, you find out how it affects all the other boxes.
So, sir, is it possible to remove one more subject, just insert the other tab, like revenue book, right? There should be a box for revenue.
Okay.
So, is it possible to just change that box without affecting all the things?
Size of the screen.
Is there any switchboard up there?
No. Okay, that's right. Okay, so basically, it's right here. So you got your value proposition, which is which company offers, which the company offers in the product or benefits or whatever. Then you got your customer segments. Then you got your distribution channels, customer relationships to create demand. Then they've got revenue streams, the resources to make the business model work, and then activities needed to improve the business model, and then cost structure, and then profit structure. So that's So basically, these are the 9 different boxes that they've got, and each particular box will kind of impact on each other. So you basically take your value proposition, and that's where you're going to start, from the value proposition. And then from the value proposition, based on your customer discovery and your customer validation, you get to customer segments or customer creation, or customer segments. And the distribution channel, how are you going to get there? Are you going to have salesman call? Are you going to have email? Are you going to have online? Whatever. Then customer relationships to create demand. And how are you going to create demand? That's the whole idea. Based on what they buy, what kind of revenue you're going to generate, resources needed to make the business model possible means how you manufacture the product, how you're going to provide the services, and then activities needed to implement it, the factory or whatever, and then any partners that you need, and then what is the cost structure resulting from this. So essentially, what you're going to do is start off with some hypothesis and start filling out the business model. Okay. essentially, once you create a business model canvas, now you're going to have to validate. So, essentially what he's saying is, you can't go and ask all your customers. So you can only ask people who are in your neighborhood or accessible by phone call or by SMS or email or whatever. So essentially you've got to design an experiment. It's just like an engineering experiment. You prove it in a small case, then you generalize it. So essentially with your customer development insight cycle, how you develop an understanding of your customer. So that's your design experiment. So you So once you finish designing your experiment, testing this, agree on market type. And this is interesting because it basically tells you all the different kinds of companies that you could have. Bringing a new product into an existing market. What's a good example of that? Give an example of bringing a new product into an existing market.
Dropbox will be considered. Dropbox.
Go for a consumer product.
Sir, nano car is a new product which came into existing small body.
Okay. Bring a new product into a new market. So,
Service business.
New product into a new market. So, it's a market that did not exist, and you come up with a breakthrough product for that market.
So that comes the revolutionary startup, right? Revolutionary startup.
Yeah, not evolutionary, but revolutionary. Yeah. Any ideas? Huh? Facebook would be a good example. There was no market or no opportunity for Facebook. It was just people talking to each other.
So who was that before that?
Which one?
Or who was that before Facebook? So can you consider that?
Actually, you're right.
Our market was already there. It's a new product.
But you
Existing
But
market.
it was an evolution from that. So actually, you might find that
Yeah, that we really find the structure of
you might actually find that there are very few really revolutionary products. If you look far enough back, you can probably find something. Because that, to some extent, this thing really requires a new invention. So maybe the first automotive company.
So hybrid cars and all that. So electric car.
So hybrid car, that also could be considered evolutionary now. But maybe it is.
The market already there.
Market is already there.
So it could be a new product with an existing market.
Something that creates a new market completely.
Mobile phones
iPod.
in the initial days.
I would say they're getting there. Yeah. A
Commercial
smartphone,
tablets.
a tablet, even there were tablets before, but I think this is so revolutionary. Anyway, so that's new product into new market. A new product into an existing market and trying to resegment that market as a low cost or as a niche entrant or cloning a business model, which was already successful in a foreign country.
So what
Okay.
What do you mean by niche?
Okay, so let's say
Specific.
Mercedes-Benz Mercedes-Benz comes into the market. So if Mercedes-Benz comes into the market and there are like 50 other car manufacturers, then they basically will get lost among those 50 companies that are already there. So what they do is they say, you know, if you want to buy a luxury car, then we are the luxury car manufacturer. We don't manufacture all kinds of cars. We only manufacture luxury cars. Or like a Rolls Royce. That's even better example. They go and create a niche market where, you know, they say we are the best in this particular niche. We're not going to compete in the low-end market, mid-range market, or sports market. We're just going to be the best, but in this particular niche.
So they target on a specific requirement of product or customer.
They look for, they take the customers and say only people who have, you know, so much money that, you know, they don't care. They just want to have something that nobody else has got. Now that's a new market. Cloning a business model that's successful in another country, that is very common. If you think about it, some most successful Indian IT startups or web startups are all
Flipkart.
Flipkart, Naukri.com,
Recharge.
Yeah.
So like Facebook is there in China, right? They named it as Baidu.
Baidu,
Yeah.
and Facebook.
Even in Russia also they have.
In Russia, they've got their
They have their
own
own networking
Facebook.
center.
Yeah,
Right, so basically you've flown the business, like Rediff was first started to be an equivalent of Yahoo.
Yeah. Hotmail.
Hotmail was Hotmail, Gmail, all of these were cloned.
Cloning.
Okay, so why don't okay, the 7 people who have got your respective company plans, which one do they fit into? Okay, who are the 7? You're the CEO.
What we are focusing on right now is not existing. Actually, cloning, it's cloning an existing thing for a different model. So, such things already exist for bigger places like restaurants, hospitals,
So why don't you explain your vision? What was your vision?
We are trying to build something like an application that basically helps people locate whatever places that they want, focusing mainly on the smaller things like street food, smaller shops, etc.
I personally feel which should fall in the desegmented market as a niche, and we are targeting a particular people. It's not for.
So the company is called Locate, and what Locate does is, what does Locate do?
So basically, it provides, it's up to the user. We have various functionalities in it. When he wants to go for a search for a restaurant or
Many categories
many
of Locate.
locate
You can locate food, you can locate clothes, you can locate whatever.
clothes and everything.
But you have a generalized engine.
Sorry,
You have a generalized platform,
generalized platform for that.
which can be tailored to.
For specific need. So we are targeting a particular segment of people rather than general.
So I would say that it's a new product and an existing product. So the market for finding restaurants is
Already there, yeah, it is.
and there's enough Yelp.
There are products out there,
Yelp,
yes.
and then other.
Lot of people
But it's a new product because the newness is that it allows you to find very specific, unique things, right? Unique kind of things, which are crowdsourced. Okay, so new product in the existing market. Who else has got a company? Yeah. What was your company and tell us what your company was and
We're doing a kind of food delivery from restaurants. So what we'll be doing is we'll set up a network that will deliver food from restaurants in your locality.
okay.
So it's kind of a new product in an existing market scenario.
Like Domino's Pizza is already there, but you're going to be,
Yeah, we're gonna do it for the other places as well. For the
that
smaller-
don't have the ability to
That don't have the person.
to create a network like Domino's. Okay. So new product, existing market. Anybody else has got a new product for new market? Anybody?
So when we consider new market locality wise, if we have, let us say our company is Instament, right?
What's your company?
Instrument.
Instament. So what it does is it will connect handyman to the people who require those people, right? So during this Ahmedabad, particularly in Gujarat, such kind of companies does not exist. So for this locality, we can consider new product in a new market. But whereas if we consider other countries like USA, there is already a company in USA.com. So it does part of these things. So
Maybe clothing or business. Maybe it's clothing as well. So it's not exactly clothing because we are changing
Because the vending
our
machines are cheap.
business structure.
So actually, that's a very good point. You're indigenizing.
Yeah. So,
Actually, those guys have different.
You have to localize. You cannot just import, because if it's just importing, then obviously that big company that's already in the US can also enter it. Go ahead.
So